In 1942, the SS created a unit so brutal that even Nazi commanders wanted it disbanded. They called it the Dirlewanger Brigade. Led by Oskar Dirlewanger, a convicted child molester turned SS officer, this wasn't your typical military unit. It was filled with the worst criminals Germany could find: poachers, murderers, rapists. Dirlewanger unleashed them on civilians in Poland and Belarus. What they did was so horrific that other SS officers filed complaints. Think about that. Nazis were disgusted by other Nazis. In Warsaw, they burned hospitals with patients still inside. They hunted children for sport. Even Heinrich Himmler considered shutting them down. But Dirlewanger had protection. His unit was too useful for the dirty work no one else would do. When the war ended, Dirlewanger was captured by Allied forces. He died mysteriously in custody. Some say Polish guards recognized him and beat him to death. Others claim it was suicide. Either way, one of history's most evil men met a fitting end. Even in the darkest regime ever created, some monsters stood out from the rest.